Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna do my normal makeup routine, I guess. And yeah, it's been like 2 or 1 year, I don't know. I'm already a junior. It's so like sad. But yeah, first step I do is I do my eyebrows, which I'm not gonna record or should I don't know, sis. But that could be a new video or another video. But you guys can comment if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial. But yeah, okay, I'm back and I did my eyebrows. I tried making them even. They look okay, but yeah, whatever. But now I'm done with that. Like, I bought new stuff from Ulta, so they're not in yet. So like, yeah, I don't have a primer right now, so yeah. But like, I do, but like, I don't know if I like it. This is a primer, Pro. Should I use it today? I don't know, but I guess. Okay, I will just do it. I don't know. This is my sister's, and I guess she stopped or doesn't use it, so I took it from her. I didn't take it from her, she gave it to me, but yeah. So we're just gonna put this everywhere where we have texture, you know? But now what I take is CeraVe moisturizer. This is really good moisturizer. And I'm normal to dry skin. So yeah. So I take this all over my face. But now I color correct. Like, why not? Because I really have bad under eyes, as you can see. I get that. I put it here because I don't know. I feel like it's effective if I put it here. Like, my skin looks way better if I put it there. And I put here and this and here. That's basically what I do to color correct. Now we take this. I take this brush. Not we. I keep saying we, but I take this brush and I just buff it out. I buff everything out. When I'm done blending all this color corrector, I take my powder, which is Laura Mercier, the small one, because I'm poor. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, that's what I take. And I just take a little bit and yeah, basically set it. I use this. This is my contour brush, but I use it for like mostly everything. And just take a little bit of it and just set the color corrector. Okay, now once I'm done setting that powder, I take my foundation, which is from The Ordinary, and I'm shade 2.0 N, and I shake it up because it's really watery. And I take this brush. It's from Jeffree Star. I know he's cancelled, but I ain't throwing my stuff. I ain't throwing stuff away. That's wasting money. Like, please, if you throw away your makeup just because that influencer is cancelled, you're dumb. No offense. I mean, you must be rich, but whatever. But I just put it in my back of my hand and I like do like 2 or 3 coats, not 2 or 3 squirts or pumps, I don't know. And I just dab, and it's gonna look crazy, but trust the process. So I just put it on. See, look at that shade color. But now I take my beauty sponge. I like not barely. I never wet my sponge because I don't know, that's just me. but today I washed it right now, like right before this filming, and it's wet. So yeah, so what I do is I blend this so you don't see no streaks, like no streaks, because that brush is kind of like harsh, not harsh, but whatever. I don't know how to explain it, but just dab dab dab, you know. Okay, I did my forehead off camera because just cause, you know, just cause. But now I just take my concealer and I put it right here. This is shade Medium Peach, and this is from Elf. It's Elf, the Hydrating. Okay, I'm blending the concealer. Sorry, my sister called me. But blend it, blend. Let's see, blend. Not the mocha. Like, this concealer is really good. It's from Elf. It's really affordable. If you don't, it's like, I don't know, it's like, for me, it's better than Shape Tape because it's way cheaper. I mean, it's okay coverage for me. Like, I love it. I just love it, period. And now I take, ooh girl, trust the process, and I take the light concealer, which is light peach. Just put in the corner, right here, and you blend it out. Yeah, my makeup really changed throughout the year. Like, I now know how to do face makeup. Like, isn't that really fudging nice? Like, I really thought face makeup wasn't gonna do anything for me, but like, it really did, honestly. Okay, there we go, and now we set it. Okay, now I take this smaller sponge, and I take my Laura Mercier powder, and I don't do all of the powder. I like dab it on my back of the hand, and I set it like that, because my skin is really dry, and you know, if you have dry skin, you know what I go through. And I set the nose part because you have to. And then I set my forehead. Okay, now I take this Jeffree Star again. Yikes. And I use this powder to set my whole face. And the brush that I use is this, which is my blush brush. And yeah, I just take this and set everywhere. I don't know, I use this powder to set the rest of my face because this is like not translucent. Kind of has like a little, like, I don't know, it's like darker than the Laura Mercier one that I have. And yeah, and now this is another product. I know it looks crazy, but I just trust the process, you know. But I take this to contour. I take Diet Root Beer to contour or slash Give Me Life. And yeah, this is how I contour about Give Me Life. Pull it right here and I just buff it, you know. Oof, girl. And just buff the living hell out of it. Get out of my hairline. And just buff. That thing, I don't know, it's just my skin. It's not the contour, guys. Trust me. Just my skin, and see? It'll give me a little bit of life. Ew, this side of my face is really ugly, I'm sorry. But now this turns. See, look how harsh it looks at the beginning. Like, sis. Bye. Yeah, this is basically how I contour, bronze / give life to my face. I don't know if that's harsh, but girl, that you. And now my forehead. So I take the same thing and I just contour my nose. Now it's my blush time, and actually it's not what I do. What I do is I put freckles on my nose. So yeah, let's put some freckles on my nose. I think it's the lighting. Oh, I think it's the lighting that's making me sweat. I'm sorry. Just turn it down a little bit and just put freckles on my nose. Like, okay, now blush, and I use the James Charles palette for blush, and I don't know the shade, but it's right here. It's next to the orange, and I just put it all over, not all over, but put it right here and here. I don't know, blush just makes everything better, you know. I love blush, and I take the tip of this. A little bit more, and now I'm sweating, bitch. Okay, and I take it this, and so it looks like my nose is sunburned. Some people don't like this look, but I do, so fuck off. So yeah, like that. After that, it looks like I have life now. I spritz my Mario Badescu water on my face. So yeah. I like to put a lot because I'm a bitch. Like, I like to put a lot because I just love how, oof, not me blocking my face. I just love how my face looks after I spray my face with a lot, and just makes my face more human-like or more natural, I guess. See, this is how it kind of looks right now. And yeah, I'm sweating, girl. Look at that. I'm sweating because I'm so hot, you know. Okay. But this is basically what I do, and yeah, I'll be right back, and I'll do my whole makeup, like lashes and all that. So yeah, let me be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I did everything, including like eyeliner, eyelashes, and some little bit eyeshadow. I kind of did like what is it, that girl from Alex, I don't know her name, but her name is, oh my god, I'm so sorry, but yeah, I did the eye look where it's like really trendy with that, you know what I mean? But this is how I look like if I want to go extra, like, you know, like extra during the night, during the day, but like not the gloss, because like I wanted to put gloss just now. But basically, yeah, this is how I look with extra stuff. Yes, like full-on makeup. But if I don't feel like putting everything on, I'll just do my base and whatever, like my eyebrows and all my base, you know, my base makeup, but not my lip stuff. I'll just like put chapstick or something. But that's basically how I do it. You guys can comment down below on how I do all of these, my eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, on comment down below, I guess. And my social medias will be down below. And yeah, it's basically everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But yeah, bye.